In today's video, I'm going to show you how to double, treble, or even quadruple your sales on your WooCommerce store. So the first thing you're going to need is Fluent CRM because we want to automate this whole process behind the scenes. All right, so I've already got Fluent CRM installed and I've also gone ahead and installed WooCommerce. So let's create our products. So to add our products, you want to come over here to products and then click on add new. So my first product here is just going to be trainers, but you want to be specific with a name. And then over here, I'm just going to paste some description text, and let's add our price here. This is going to be 97, and then over here we need to add our product image. So here it is. I'm going to select it and then click on set product image. So this is the basic way of adding products onto your WooCommerce store. Once you're done, hit publish. Now I know I could have gone into more information here, but I just want to keep things very, very simple. All right, so now that we're done here, let's add another one. So to add another product, all you have to do, click here on add new. And this time it's a t-shirt. We're going to paste our description text. This one here is $29. Let's come over here and add our image. And I already have my image in my media library. I'm going to select it and then click on set product image and then hit publish. All right, so we have our two products now in our store. The next step now is to go to Fluent CRM and create tags. So to do that, we're going to come over here to Fluent CRM. Let's go to tags. We're going to click on this plus button here to add our tag. So for this one here, we're going to say bought trainers. Now you'll see in a moment why this is important, right? Let's add another one. And this time it's going to be bought t-shirt. Excellent. So now we have our tags in place. Now notice what happens when we go back to our products. So I want to come back over here now to products and then click on all products. Now we're going to see all the products that we created, and there should be two. So it's this one here and that one. In fact, let's get rid of this because it's not part of the program today. All right, so for this trainers now, I'm going to click on edit. So why this step here is important to add tags is when you scroll down, Fluent CRM is automatically integrated into WooCommerce. So why do I say that? If you take a look here, you're going to see Fluent CRM. So if I click on that, now it's saying successful purchase actions. So here we can add our tag. Now the reason why we created the tag first was because we cannot select it here if it's not created first, if you know what I mean. Okay, so we're going to say bought trainers since these are trainers. I'm going to leave this as it is. If it's refunds, you can always come over here and add your refund tags and so on. But we're going to keep things very, very simple here. So this one here, bought trainers. Let's hit update. Now let's do it one more time on the other products. I'm going to come down here, all products. Let's go to our t-shirt. And just like how we did before, we're going to come over here to Fluent CRM. Oops. Click the wrong thing, click on Fluent CRM, and we're going to add the bought t-shirt. Okay, fantastic. So now that we have all our tags in place, our product now is connected with our tags, and this is going to take action when the purchase is complete. Excellent. Now we need to automate the whole thing. Okay, so to do that, we're going to come over here to Fluent CRM. We're going to go to our dashboard so you can see pretty much where everything is. But ideally, where we want to go is right here on automations. Okay, so let's create our brand new automation. So I'm going to come over here on create new automation. We're going to come over here to WooCommerce. Now, here's the thing. We want that when an order is completed, that's when this kicks off. So I'm going to select this and we're going to say bought trainers for this one. And then we're going to say continue. Okay, so we have this starting as bought trainers. So the next step now is to come over here to my products. So here they are. We've got trainers and the t-shirts. So I'm going to select my trainers. Now there's also another option here where you can target categories, but we're not going to do that now. We're just going to keep things very, very simple here. All right. So we want this here to be any type of purchase and then click on save settings. All right. So when they've bought the trainers, what do we need to do? So we are going to wait a day. I'm going to say add new action. We're going to wait 1 day, save settings, and then we're going to offer them another product. So I'm going to say add action, and this time I want to add a custom email. Okay, so our subject line is 20% off on t-shirt or something along those lines. So our message here is going to say, thank you for purchasing our trainers. I have a really good discount for you on our matching t-shirt. Use coupon code SHOP20 to get 20% off, and then there's a link here to actually go to the product. So I'm going to highlight this, and let's pretend that this is our link to the second product. I'm going to add it like that. The next step now is to set up our coupon code. So I'm going to come over here to marketing and then click on coupons. But I'm going to do this in a new tab so that we don't disturb the page that we're working on. All right, so now that we have this, we are going to now create our first coupon. So this is a fixed discount. So we're going to go in and add the amount. In fact, you know what? Let's use percentage discount. So we say 20% off, didn't we? I'm going to go ahead and add my 20% here. And the coupon code is shop20. Now over here on the usage limits, I am going to just apply this to all qualifying items in the cart. I don't really want to go into a specific item. So I'm going to leave it as that and then click on publish. So now we have our coupon code. We have all our tags in place, but this is only for one product. So let's say you want to do this for the other product. You can always do this and alternate them. But the really cool thing here is you can come over here now to our automation funnel and then say add conditional action. Okay, so with conditional action now, we can get a bit more sophisticated now with our automation. So I'm going to say check condition. Okay, so we are going to add the condition. So I'm going to say WooCommerce purchased products, or I can even say based on country or so on and so on. But I'm going to say purchased products, and then I'm going to say t-shirts. Okay, now remember, when someone purchases a t-shirt, they are going to have a tag added to them. So we've added our t-shirt here as our product. And then I'm going to say save settings. So this is the condition that our system here is going to check. So it's going to check if there's a matching condition. If there is a matching condition here, we are going to send an email and offer them a different product. But if the condition here is not matching, we are going to give them the offer of that product. So for example, in this case, there is no condition for bought t-shirt. So we're going to now give them a discount on the t-shirt, or even, market the t-shirt to them. So this is where you can come in here and set your custom email. And these conditions now are going to be working for you, automating the whole process. Now, at the end of this, you're going to notice that as people are purchasing different products on your website, emails are going to be sent out behind the scenes with the appropriate tags and the appropriate messages. And this is where the power of email automation using Fluent CRM and WooCommerce comes in. All right, go ahead, try it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.